Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on the application of Slack. You will click on settings, then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Slack. We'll search about Slack. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.